What's up, gentlemen? You want to hear something crazy? My hair grows about 1.5 inches per month. I have to go in for regular haircuts every 2 weeks, and they literally take off over 1/2 inch every time I go in to get a cut. But it hasn't always done that. My hair used to grow on average about 1/2 inch, which is normal for most dudes. But I started doing a few things over the last few years that has really made my hair grow super fast. My hairstylist literally says that I have the fastest growing hair she's ever seen. Today, guys, I want to go over a few ways for you to make your hair grow thicker, faster, quicker. All the products that I'm going to talk about a reference, I'll link to them down below. I'm also going to have a limited time discount code if you're interested in checking them out. The first thing that will automatically make your hair grow literally twice as fast is up the amount of biotin that you're consuming. Biotin is one of the micronutrients. It's a B vitamin that absolutely makes your hair grow thick, strong, and fast, all right? Something that you can do if you want to make your hair grow faster and also be healthier and stronger is start taking a biotin supplement. The biotin gummies are honestly the easiest and most delicious way to give yourself more biotin. Which brings me to the second trick in order to get your hair to grow thicker, faster, and sexier, and that is increase the amount of omega-3 fatty acid that you're consuming. Fatty acids are incredible for your body, but also critical for your hair to be healthy and grow super fast. Now, for me, I eat over 1.5 pounds of salmon a week. Literally, 4 to 5 days a week, I'm eating a serving of salmon, which coincidentally is power-packed full of omega-3, which is another reason why my hair has been going and growing so damn fast. Now, if you're somebody that doesn't like fish or doesn't want to actually eat salmon, you can find the omega-3 as a supplement that you basically just take every day, which is something I'd recommend not only for your hair health, but your overall physical well-being. Number 3 is shampoo and condition your hair every single day. Now, this is going to basically be contradictory to a lot of things that you hear online, right? A lot of people are like, oh, you don't need to shampoo your hair all that much. For me, it's about getting the oil and the product and the crap out of my hair and also keeping my scalp super clean. A clean scalp, gentlemen, this is one of the most important and critical aspects to your hair being healthy, you not experience hair loss, not to mention having it grow super fast. And so something that I do every day is wash my hair. Now, in terms of the shampoo I use the Control by Pete and Pedro because I used to suffer from dandruff. This has an active ingredient called coal tar. Control has coal tar, menthol, tea tree oil, all right? The amount of coal tar that we have put into this shampoo is higher than any amount of coal tar you're going to find on the market for a dandruff shampoo. It is the only thing that I have found that actually cured and stopped my dandruff. Now, some other research has come out to say that coal tar also is incredibly effective in reducing hair loss in terms of like balding. Do your own research. Guys, I'm telling you, look up like coal tar benefits. I use Control literally, wait for it, ready, twice a day. I use it in the morning after I work out. I also use it before I go to bed. So twice a day, I'm actually using this shampoo. All right, now, I never have ever had dandruff ever since I started, and my hair started to grow crazy fast. But biotin-infused shampoos and conditioners are amazing in terms of giving your hair the nourishment it needs in order to make them thick and sexy. Now, with the volume shampoo, we not only added biotin, we added rice protein. It basically adds weightless like thickness to your hair, and protein is another essential nutrient for your hair in order to be sexy and healthy. Biotin-infused conditioner is also something that's going to not only make your hair healthier, it's going to make it stronger, thicker, and grow faster. Argan oil is another incredible thing that you can use in order to give your hair hydration, all right? If your hair is dry and if it's brittle and if it's damaged, there's no way it's going to be as healthy and grow as fast as possible. But if you're using something like argan oil, which is literally like liquid gold for your hair, it's going to go in, it's going to nourish it. It's also going to pack it with hydration and help your hair and facilitate the growth process. You can also find an argan oil by itself, all right? And the way that you use it basically is a few drops. You don't need a ton of this, right? And then you simply just work it through your hair. The next tip in order to make your hair grow faster, stronger, and sexier is to really massage it, all right? When you're shampooing your hair, you want to really get in there and give your scalp the business. The reason is because when you actually do that, you're bringing blood, and blood contains nutrients to the scalp and to the hair follicle. Something that I use is this. It's actually a shampoo brush. It's got soft little like rubber spiky bristles, right? And then after you apply your shampoo, you just basically go like this all over your hair. Oh, it feels freaking incredible. It also does an incredible job getting your scalp cleaner, getting rid of any buildup or flakes. Just use this to really give your scalp the business. It feels so good. It also is going to bring incredible nutrients to the surface of the skin, to the hair follicle, because the blood flow that you're actually stimulating. It's the same concept for using a boar's bristle brush on your beard to actually stimulate the follicles to grow and to make your beard grow faster, right? Same sort of principle applies to your head and your scalp. Check it out. Look how shiny and sexy my hair looks, right? That argan oil that I applied a few minutes ago has been soaked up on my hair. It's strong, it's sexy, it's shiny, without it being like greasy and like nasty. Gentlemen, I'm telling you, argan oil, game changer. Something else that you need to do in order to facilitate hair growth is exercise. Exercise on a regular basis is going to facilitate and stimulate hair growth. The way that happens is because when you exercise, whether or not it's cardio, HIIT training, or lifting weights, the blood, your heart, it's pumping. The more blood that's flowing through your body, the more oxygen is being carried to the different areas, including your hair. And the last tip is upgrade the quality of the hair products you're using. This includes styling products. This includes shampoos and conditioners, all right? If you're using cheap products, typically they're gonna have high alcohol content, not to mention high content of other like bad ingredients that are harmful for your hair. When you actually spend a little bit more money and use a higher quality product, you're not gonna have the sulfites, you're not gonna have the parabens. One of the quickest ways to have healthier, stronger, longer hair is to use higher quality products. Now, they are going to cost a little bit more, but not like a ton. And the truth is, if your hair is important to you like it is me, it's worth spending a little more money on higher quality products. All right, they're going to perform better. They're also going to be healthy for your hair, as opposed to a lot of these cheap products you're going to find in drugstores or grocery stores that are actually going to dry out and damage your hair. Guys, if you love your hair and you want it to be as healthy, upgrade the quality of the products you're using. And that is one of the reasons why I started Pete and Pedro in the first place. And if you guys haven't been to Pete and Pedro in a while, we've really elevated the technology. All right, we've got a bunch of different quizzes to help you find the best product for you and your hair. Whether or not it's a styling product or a shampoo and conditioner, we also have a build a custom grooming kit that's going to basically walk you through step by step to build you an incredible grooming routine, which is super badass. I'm also going to link down below to the Pete and Pedro switching guide, which basically is going to show you all of the popular hairstyling products that you may be using and the Pete and Pedro equivalent. So it makes switching to a higher quality product super easy so that you're going to be satisfied and have incredible hair. Gentlemen, that's where I'm going to wrap things up. Everything that I talked about will be linked down below along with the discount code, but the bottom line is this: if you implement the tips and strategies that I outlined for the next 30 days, your hair will grow super fast.